Yo, what is going on, guys? This video today is going to be showing you how to get free Nintendo gift card codes in 2026. You can actually get a $100 Nintendo eShop code that you can redeem in the Nintendo website or in the eShop, and it is going to add $100 balance, so that is more than enough to purchase multiple games. And yeah, I'm going to be showing you how to go ahead and get free Nintendo gift cards. So before I show you this method, do make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm always searching for new and improved working methods. So what you're going to want to do is use your mobile phone internet browser. I'm using an iPhone, but you can do this on Android as well. And what you're going to want to do is go to www.crashcoupons.com. So make sure you spell it correctly. You can copy it down, Crash Coupons. And this basically this website has loads of codes for different games and stuff. So what you need to do is navigate your way by using the search bar to the Nintendo eShop page. And there is a few different codes, but on this page there is a $100 Nintendo eShop gift card code, and this is completely free, working in 2026. This is a really popular method. I did this morning, so I tried a bunch of ways to get free gift cards, and this method actually works, so I thought I'd share it with my subscribers. So basically it's going to give you a code. And you can see it says your code is ready and will be revealed after verification. Now, because these are limited codes, there's 160 remaining, you do need to unlock your personal Nintendo eShop code. So to do that, click on this button. And I'm not going to run through the full process. Like I said, I've already done this, but you need to follow the instructions on this screen here and just complete a couple of the free tasks. This basically verifies you're not a robot. Now, these are all completely free, but I've only got 2 here, but you only need to complete 2. You may see slightly more. These are basically like mobile apps where you have to download, install and open them. You may see like mobile games and surveys and stuff, so complete 2 of those. And if you complete 2 tasks following the instructions, your Nintendo gift card code will be fully revealed. So you grab the code, redeem it in the eShop, and that is going to give you a $100 balance in your account. So go to Crash Coupons and search for the Nintendo eShop page here and just select the $100 gift card. Make sure you do follow the instructions to unlock it. Drop a like on this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.